Hello everyone! For today's video, how to redeem dito points and kung paano natin gamitin sa pagbili ng load or data and other rewards. Kung ikaw po ay interesado, tumutok ka lang po dito sa channel and please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Okay, ang dito points guys ay na-earn natin when we add load or dito mobile number, when we buy data, and if we complete our dito rewards profile, ay nakaka-earn din tayo ng dito points. Okay, so ang tutorial natin sa ngayon ay kung paano natin redeem ang dito points at kung paano natin gamitin. Okay, so first step, dapat ikaw ay may account ka na dito sa dito application at may dito app ka na naka-install sa iyong phone. And may available dito points ka na po dapat. At kagaya dito sa akin, naka-earn ako ng 35.40 points. Okay, kung paano natin to redeem ng rewards, itap mo lang tong arrow. And mapupunta tayo dito sa reward section. Makikita natin dito yung dito offers, food, shopping, gaming, digital vouchers, experience, local favorites, and donation. Okay, tingnan muna natin itong donation. So, may 50 points, 100 points, and 300 points. Okay, ito yung local favorites. May 20% off on the day tour entrance. And dito naman guys, kung mahilig ka mag-travels, ay may 15% off, 20% off on hotel accommodation. 2 points lang ang kailangan dito. Okay, so scroll down mo lang kung gusto mong pumili ng place na gusto mong puntahan. And may digital vouchers for AirAsia, Angkas, Move It, and many more. Okay, then dito naman po ay kung mahilig ka sa games. So ito yung mga points na kailangan mo if you want to redeem your D2 points. Okay, tingnan naman natin tong shopping. Kung gusto mong makita lahat yung 64 rewards, scroll down mo lang. So, ayan guys, ay ang dami natin pwede pamilian. Kung ang hanap mo naman ay appliances and gadget, ay itap mo lang tong appliance and gadget. Okay, so pwede natin gamitin Binson, Digital Walker, Beyond the Box. Okay, if sa department store naman ang hanap mo, itap mo lang tong department store, Kids and Apparel, Salon Services, and Skincare and Makeup. Okay, kapag food naman, ito yung pwede natin ma-redeem ang ating D2 point. Jollibee Mini Vanilla Sundae, Red Ribbon Butter Mamon, Dunkin Classic Donut, 7-Eleven, McDonald's Burger Solo, Chowking Chanki Asado Siopaw, and many more. Okay, so next is dito offers. So ito naman guys, yung mga dito offers. May 250 MB, 500 MB, may data 10, data 20, and data 50. Okay, so gusto ko redeem itong dito points ko sa dito offers. Pipili lang tayo dito at ang gusto kong piliin ay ang data 20 na may 2 gig open data for 3 days at ang kailangan lang dito ay 20 points. Okay, the redeem itap mo lang tong data 20. Okay, and bahala na kayo guys magbasa ng mga details ng pinili nyo promo. Okay, then itap mo na to redeem for 20 points. Then input the one-time PIN, send to your mobile number in the field below. Okay, so within 110 seconds lang ay dapat po mai-input nyo na po yung one-time PIN. And kunin mo na yung code na natanggap mo at i-input mo na dito. At itap mo na tong proceed. So ayan guys, successfully redeemed data 20 and reward is 20 points. Okay, then itap mo na tong back to rewards. And as you can see po ay na-credit na po yung 2 gig data at nabawasan na yung aking D2 points ng 20 points. Then, i-view details lang natin. At ito nga po ay valid for 3 days. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali ma-redeem ng D2 points sa D2 application. Okay, thank you for watching.